Hello, everyone. This is Sarah Wang from Langfang LT Furniture Factory, and we are manufacturer of the bed, metal bed, leather bed, and mattress. Today, I'm very glad to have the live show over here and to introduce our factory and introduce our product. The bed with storage, the bed with drawers, the bed with LED light or speaker or USB, and the mattress, foam mattress, and the spring mattress, and the fabric we are going to use and the structure we are using right now. So during this live show, you will see vividly about our factory, about how our showroom look like, and what product we can making.